water with the avocado toast. She like Ferraris, but I'm always on my boat. She way too serious, but I'm always trying to joke. Remember the days that I was broke, working at Shakey's, now I'm on fly crippin'. Everywhere I go, the people listen. Ballin' in Detroit like I'm playing for the Pistons. Never with the bullshit like I'm ballin' like Scottie Pippen. Had to formulate my revenue and seek a better vision. Ayy, vegan spaghetti with the French bread and oregano. No, y'all don't hear me, guess a nigga gon' need a megaphone. Ain't at the shops, I'm up in NorCal with the private grown. Carrot oil cannabis, creating strands and getting dough.
You wanna live a fabulous life. If I didn't have the racks, are you down to ride? Shorty, I got your back if you got mine. Shorty, got dollar signs in her eyes. You wanna live a fabulous life. If I didn't have the racks, are you down to ride? Shorty, I got your back if you got mine.
Ay, creative crippin', I paint a picture with paint is blue. Crazy my mental, I'm thinking I need a better mood. Don't do the Sheraton telly, I need a better view. SLS in Vegas with a model, baby, get a clue. Or get a few, need a woman to like me, fuck my image. Cause if I wasn't ever rapping, if I was never crippin', if my hair was never twisted, would you fuck with it? Or be shallow like these models on my Insta image coasting. Fucking Lil Shawty, now drink this potion. Pull up in that Rari with roses, that be my token. I'm low-key, but it's controlled, I'm tryna elevate. Strawberry smoothies by the beach, I tell her I'm on a date. Ayy, that Airbnb booked, and the dinner at the crib cooked. Nigga, get your bitch took. Still can get your ass whooped.
Dollar signs in her eyes. You wanna live a fabulous life. If I didn't have the racks, are you down to ride? Shorty, I got your back if you got mine. Shorty, got dollar signs in her eyes. You wanna live a fabulous life. If I didn't have the racks, are you down to ride? Shorty, I got your back if you got mine. Yeah.
Time of the essence, I wake in the morning. Ay, I beat it up in the morning. Ay, we roll the blunt and we already on it. Ay, they call me yellow, you know that I'm boss. Fashion week LA, I grabbed her up off the dribble. Two bitches in the bed, I'm Malcolm in the middle. I'm sipping off this drink, she offered me a Skittle. I don't normally fuck with drugs, I guess I'll try a little. That shit had me sweating bullets, nah, I'm sweating missiles. Shawty grabbing me thinking it's swipe, I said no, that's my pistol. Before you niggas bang the turf, you got to be official. But let's get back to talking these hoes, they all act superficial. I like them natural.
I just want to say, fuck Jonathan for suggesting we do this. Seawall itself is nice, but not this part. Oh my god, it's not even downhill yet. Hey.
Oh, my legs.
Yeah, so we literally went way too far down the road, all the way to the exit of Stanley, where, what is it, Third Beach or something is?
Yep.
So then we had to, we took a shortcut to the park, because we thought that would help us get back.
It was actually.
Okay, yeah, well, yeah, it was the way we ended up needing to go, and then we had to go through like a neighborhood.
Actually?
Yeah, well, it was like between a neighborhood and the park.
Oh yeah. Dude, I mean, how was it on the hill down?
The hill down was nice.
It was down, right? Yeah.
But the hill up was not nice.
The hill up, dude, I pointed, I was like, oh, it's done? It's not done.
Yeah, oh yeah, because it went down for one part, and then it just kept going up again.
When it kept going uphill, I'm like, every second, I was just like, every minute, I was just like, I'm gonna fucking kill Jonathan. I'm gonna actually kill him.
I mean, after a while, I was expecting you guys to just take it slow, because I was just like, oh, I'll just be the one to make it. And I should have told you guys that you guys should have just taken it slow, to be honest.
No, I felt rushed. Exactly what I was afraid was gonna happen happened. If I don't keep him in my line of sight, I'm gonna get lost. I'm not gonna know where to turn or stop, and that's exactly what happened when we walked.